Hello and welcome to a special Diwali edition on Goa 365 with me, Marsha D'Souza, as we and Goa 365 wish each and every one of you a very happy and prosperous festival of lights. Diwali or Deepavali, the festival of lights, is a celebration of the victory of good over evil, light after death, sunshine after rain, and laughter after pain.
Diwali is celebrated in the month of Kartik on Amavasya, that is the first new moon night after Dashera. Diwali celebrations begin in the wee hours of the morning when effigies of the demon Narkasur are burnt. Legend has it that Narkasur was a demon who would terrorize the villagers and was slain by Lord Krishna. People celebrate this victory of Lord Krishna over the evil Narkasur by lighting their homes with lanterns, locally referred to as Akash Kandils, and clay diyas or lamps. On Diwali morning, people have a ritualistic shower and apply oil and utne on themselves, signifying the cleansing of the body. This is followed by a ritualistic ceremony wherein the men and children of each home crush the bitter karit, that is wild cucumber, with their feet as they stand alongside the sacred tulas. This symbolic ritual, which signifies the death of evil, indicates that the place for evil ideas lies beneath one's foot and not in one's heart. Sweets are a must-have at any festivity, and at Diwali, people buy the customary pedas, laddus, barfis, kaju katli, etc. in kilos as they gift boxes of sweets to their families and friends.
मिक्स एसोसिएट मिठाई रहती है हमारे पास, मावे की मिठाई है, मलाई की मिठाई रहती है मिक्स, देसी घी के लड्डू रहते हैं, देसी घी के अंजीर हलवा है, देसी घी का पाइनएप्पल हलवा, ड्राई फ्रूट हलवा है, ड्राई फ्रूट टोस्ट रहता है, अंजीर बर्फ़ी रहती है, कैजू बर्फ़ी रहती है, कैजू रोल्स रहते हैं और मिक्स एसोसिएट मिठाई दिवाली के लिए ज़्यादा बिकती है.
मार्केट इतले थोडं वाढण्याचे काय नाही स्वीट्स मला आता लोक होय आणि आपल्या बजेट प्रमाणे लोक वाढतात.
नक्की सध्या किती चढ वाढतात?
चढ मला चढशे वाढतात, मिक्स वाढतात, लाडू असे मिक्स.
Preparations of pho, that is flaked rice, find place of prominence on the meal table in any home celebrating the festival of lights.
नवीन बाजार सुरू केल्लो आसा. दिवाळेच्या निमतान जर तुम्ही म्हणशात तर दिवाळे खातीर आमी वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे फोव, तळलेले फोव म्हणा, भाजलेले तळले पेक्षा भाजलेले म्हणया, डिफरंट वरायटीचे फोव आमी मुद्दाम बाजारांत हाडटा आनी त्या चवथ म्हणा, दिवाळी म्हणा, हे आमचे जवळ जवळ राष्ट्रीय सण आसा. त्या सणा खातीर आमी स्पेशल तयारी करता. तातूंत साबण जालो, मोती साबण जाका चड सगळ्यांक गिरायक आसता आनी इतर प्रकारचे जे साबण आसा ताका आमी स्पेशल दवरता, आमच्या बाजारांनी उपलब्ध करून दवरता. तशेंच उटणी म्हणून आसा जाचो सगळ्यांत चड वापर जाता दिवाळेच्या निमतान, त्याची पण आमी उपलब्धता करून दवरलेली आसता.
We'll be right back. Welcome back. You're with Goa 365 on this special Diwali edition. Diwali, which is also called Deepavali, is incomplete without shopping, either for new clothes or jewelry or household items.
Goa 365 caught up with enthusiastic shoppers in the state as they shopped with gusto on this auspicious day. We also spoke to a few shopkeepers who allure ever-ready shoppers by offering mega Diwali discounts that no one can resist.
दिवाळीक तसो आमकां जाल्लो सादारणशील बरोच जाला म्हणपाचो कंपेरींग टू अदर पीपल आमकां बरो आसा, म्हणजे पयरूच्या इतकोच जाला. आनी सद्या असो हें आसा की मार्केट मातशें सगळ्याक स्लॅक आसा न्ही, म्हणटून म्हाका जें आसा तातूंत हांव सॅटिस्फायड.
See, every year around Diwali time our sales really goes up, but I think this year it is little more compared to last year.
To last year there was a great difference. Last year we had a pretty good sale, but this time due to closure of banks were closed, then this frequent bunds, and there are many more reasons like public staff holidays which affected us in our business. And
so we need to grow up yet. The customers are not being seen in the market. About, I don't know, The customers are not more about knowing about the stock and everything. The stock have been more refilled about all the varieties have new come and all. But I need to see customers should be starting by this weekend. We should have a good sale, expecting it. That rather than the last year, this year sale is a little slower. Than new items, we get it every weekend, every month we design it. And especially for Diwali also, we have done formal varieties for men and for guys also. And we are starting up with new concepts also that will be coming up for Diwali and for Christmas and for New Year.
It is a beginning now, and there's a good responses there now. Compared to last year's, right now we are having a good sale.
As compared to last year, दिवाली सीजन ये साल का
ऑलमोस्ट सेम वही जो है एज पर द लास्ट ईयर चल रहा है.
पोरू आमकां रिस्पॉन्स बरो आहलो आनी अंदूय तसोच आहा. एज कम्पेर टू पोरू आमचो रिस्पॉन्स बरो आहा त्या मानान. पूण आमची एक्चुली कितें तरी आसतना थोडो म्हारगायेचो इफेक्ट जाताच मार्केटाचेर. एक्चुली बिकॉज ऑफ पेट्रोल एंड डिजल ते प्रायसीस हाय आसता तेका लागून मातशे प्रॉब्लेम जाताच ते कळ्ळें न्हू. तरी आमकां त्या मानान बरें आहा. लोकांच्या पेक्षा आमकां खूब त्या मानान बरें आहा गिरायक.
The Festival of Lights is considered auspicious to buy electronic appliances. Although most shop owners in the state were enthusiastically looking forward to Diwali sales during the period, a few shop owners, however, were a wee bit worried due to the rising inflation, which they felt would affect sales on Diwali.
Diwali has been very good. In fact, it has been better than Chaturthi, and over last year also it has been a lot better this year. Market has moved on to LCDs. Totally, a lot of people are buying LCDs now. Very less sale of normal televisions. LCDs is a lot higher than the normal televisions.
लास्ट इयरपेक्षा ओनू कमी आसा सेल वायज असो आनी स्किमी पसून लेस आसता. बट प्रायस वायज इज वेरी लेस. 29 टीवीचे 8,990 किनलो 8,990. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टायम किनलो जाल्यार. मागीर 6,990 वॉशिंग मशीन दवरला फुल आउटपुट विथ एक्सचेंज प्रायस ऑल. आनीक 9,990 फ्रीज दवरला डबल डोर. 9,990.
Right now for Diwali in Vasco at least it is much better because of this all salaried people here, all companies, shipyard, MPT and this Navy, they have got I think bonus this month, Diwali bonus, and market is good. As compared to last year, I feel it is a little better. You can say around 10-15% more than last year.
Diwali is also considered a propitious day for families to buy jewelry.
Speaking about the response, how we used to get every year, comparatively it is a bit less. Like we can feel the difference at least in this week. So we feel that it can be due to the sudden fall of gold rates, which has made customers confused, and this may remain for another maybe at least another 15-20 days up till the steadiness comes.
Goa 365 spoke to the state's Chief Minister Digambar Kamath as well as the leader of the opposition Manohar Parrikar, both of whom extended Diwali wishes to the people of the state.
हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. ही दिवाळी सगळ्यांक सुखाची आणि भरभराटीची वसूं अशें हांव देवा कडेन मागतां.
Even though I know that the next year might be tough because of all the problems which are faced, which are imminent, financial crisis, law and order, chaos in the government. I still hope that the coming year ultimately turns out to be a good year to the people of the state, and wish them a very happy new year on this eve of Diwali.
Stay tuned, we'll be right back with more traditional Diwali celebrations on the other side of this break.